Welcome to Arun's Techforge Python programming series. I am Arun Barua and I welcome you to the Python programming series. So let us begin. Currently we are learning Python and we are in chapter 6 function. Okay. Today we will learn an anonymous function. Okay, that is lambda function. So what is an anonymous function? Anonymous functions are functions that doesn't have a name. Okay, so anonymous functions are not bound to a name at a runtime. They are created using the construct called lambda. The lambda operator or lambda function is a way to create small anonymous functions, that is functions without a name. These functions are throwaway functions, that is they are just needed where they have been created. Lambda functions are mainly used in combination with the functions like filter, map and reduce. Okay, and now let us see how can we create a lambda function. Okay, let's go to the programming environment. Let us create a simple two variable x and y, then we will run later below. Now let us create an ordinary function. Okay, as usual named function. Def, we have seen it many times. Addition, suppose there say a b result equals to a plus b. B should be the small b, otherwise we will get error. Then print. Okay, without printing, let us return it. Return result. Okay, then let us create another cell below. Let us call this function res equals to this function, and we will pass this x and y, x comma y. Okay, then we will print result equals to this areas. Okay, now let us run this program. So we are getting 15, right? So this is done with a named function. Now let us see the anonymous function. Anonymous function, say result equals to lambda, lambda, say a and b, then colon, okay, a plus b. Okay, now print result equals to, now in this place you have to call this function, okay, lambda function. Now then you pass x comma y, that is the original value. Okay, so now run this function and you will get the result. The syntax of lambda function may be unusual for you at the beginning. However, once you keep on practicing, it will be more clear to you. So here we have not defined any function like this, right? But this is the place where we need, say, addition of two numbers. So we use lambda, that's the keyword, okay, lambda operator. Then here we are passing the parameters, so there should be two parameters, a, b, and what these parameters would do, we 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 mention it after this colon. So we want this a plus b, suppose addition, and we are printing. Now suppose here I want multiplication. Okay, so what I would do here, result result equals to lambda lambda. Say I can write any variable name, it does not make matter. Okay, C and D, two parameters I passed, C and D, and what C and D would do, C into D, we will multiply it, right? And the result whatever will be returned to this particular variable. However, this variable you cannot access it as a variable, but you have to treat it as a function. So let us print, say result equals to, what you will do here, result, and you pass that x and y here. Now you will see the, what is the result, 50. Okay, so what was 10 into 5 would be 50, right? Similarly, you can do subtraction also. Say result equals to lambda lambda of, say okay, you can give x and y also, but I am not giving that same name, it may confuse you. So a and b, then colon, after colon, what this a would do, a minus b. Okay, done. Let us print it, print, then result equals to, here I am calling this result this particular variable. Okay, and this will be treated as a function actually, and here we have to pass that a and b the value. Okay, so here if we run it, we can get 10 minus 5 equals to 5, right? Now instead of passing this a and b here, you can physically type 10 and 5 also, then also you will get, or just to make a change, 20 and 5, you will get the result 15, right? So this is an example of lambda function, and in the upcoming session we will see map, filter, reduce and list comprehension. So this is the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much, keep watching.